if you have inserted a block which has been created and not supplied by Specify. Using the Insert Block command, you can save the block to a library. Selecting the Library tab, we can scroll down the Specify tool palette, locate the icon Save in Personal Library. By clicking the icon, the user is first prompted to select the block, then a data identification screen opens. Then we can begin to enter the particular details of this object. Selecting the Contacts tab will begin firstly to identify the supplier information using the plus button. Now, following the same procedure, we insert the following information such as company name, location, etc. To ensure the functionality of the item, it is important to enter the location name, emails, and other information related to the supplier. You can add the block's commercial and technical information using the Connections description box, which is located further down and using the plus button. Once all the information is added, Specify will create and add the information as a supplier to your manufacturing list. You can also customize the marketing logo and the banner image. These items are found in the General Data tab. Once it is saved, it continues reading directly from the product's information, and it asks whether I want to continue to use the same code I have inserted before. Selecting Yes confirms the information. Now the software loads the aforementioned information. Reviewing this information, it shows that it has assigned the supplier code U001 and other information. If I want to choose a JPEG file as an attachment, I can insert it with a double click. If the JPEG does not load when selecting, you can go to Settings and remove the setting Hook up the drawing name. Otherwise, it will always reference back to the same file name. You can search and load the image. You can also specify the price and the product type, for example, an equipment or an accessory, etc. In this instance, it is a piece of equipment. You can then move to More information within this selection. You can also identify the searching category the item falls within. You can also add new categories, such as cooking equipment, and then confirm the selections. In the second level, I can insert gas convection ovens. In the third, Vectair Apollo A-line. In this way, our equipment will be inserted in the following tree diagram. You can also identify the insertion point, whose default value is shown in the top left corner. You have the option to use a different insertion point, but we suggest to always use the default one. In Description, you can find the short and long description we have already inserted, and add other languages if desired. Within the block information, we can add all the service information. This information can be added to Connection. In this piece of equipment, we also require a gas connection, so I can select Gas, and also add the following information: power, the pressure, the diameter. In Accessory, you can join the equipment with some additional accessories, and in Attachment, I can insert a technical PDF file and choose the language, in this example, selecting English. Once you have finished, you have other information you can add, but the most important are technical information, searching levels, descriptions, and connections. You can confirm all the information by clicking the OK button. In this way, the product has been inserted inside your new supplier. You can find the supplier again by referring back to the electronic catalog.